Welcome back for your very special and yummy update. I have got a fire lit in my butt. Crypto bear market talk every single day. Could be starting. What if it's not though? Remember friends, QT ending, we only have one very important data point. And it did mark the bottom of others BTC. I do wonder if it will repeat again. I do wonder, if everybody's so quick to call for data points to pointing the fingers and stuff out here, I wonder why they never point to that. I do wonder. I've got a post here as well, a fun post. Charles Hoskinson, I'm sacrificing $100 million of ADA for ProveX because I believe in Richard Hart. So there is a ProveX sacrifice out here. Ripping the band-aid off. Okay, Richard Hart made a tweet about that. J5, bold move, trust in choice. I hope you're not an AI, sir. I really hope. I just can't tell anymore, man. I think I'm just replying to AI people on Twitter. You just don't know, man. You just don't know. They learned us, friends. Just you don't even know. We need to verify who's a human and who's not. Like this ungodly man. Jams win. The greatest monetary reset in human history is well underway, and you thought some digital bitcoins was going to save you? It really was obvious. Jams win. it is comical. He's posted the Michael Burry. That's Michael Burry from The Big Short, right? Played by Christian Bale. Because he's been short the whole time. For 15 years, man, and the S&P 500 is up 287%. 3.8x. It's been short the whole time, man. Jeez. So Michael Burry's Sky on fund closing. Is it a top signal? Could be a top signal. He is a big bear. I don't think he's a final bear, though. Plenty of bears, man. There's just plenty of bears. I mean, like, for example, when you hear the shoe shine kid is not telling you and me, let's go start up an AI company in the garage, okay? The shoe shine kid is not telling you and me, let's go buy some trustless crypto. Because money isn't real. They're not saying that, man. That's maybe what they'd say at the tops, okay? What the shoe shine kid is saying, did you hear, Squire? There's a bear market coming. You better close up shop. That's what they're saying right now, the shoe shine kid. And for everyone at home, remember, in the 1920s, which was the roaring 20s, they called it 1920s, right before the Great Depression, it was like an up-only Ponzi run. And then, that's why people who avoided it, they said, I knew something was wrong when the shoe shine kid, literally the kid just shining his shoes out on the street for like 2 cents, right? 2 pennies back then. He was giving you stock tips. He had like, I've got some stocks that you should buy, the shoe shine kid. So we don't see that out here, man. And we're seeing everyone, the shoe shine kid is saying, there's a bubble, Squire. Everything's too high. That's what the shoe shine kid's saying, right? Solana, friends, focused on turning everyone into a token deployer. Too much supply, and now every trader is ruined. Right? Look, man, yeah, all the coins are down, okay? But in the JPEG casino trenches, you actually lose. It's an actual loss, okay? Because the network effect, it's left, okay? Because when they were trading in an arena, there's like, 5,000 people looking at something. But now, there's zero. Literally zero, okay? So it's goes from 5,000 people to zero. The pulse is gone, okay? With our altcoins that we hold, we have a network effect, not just PulseChain, any altcoin, Ethereum included, Bitcoin included, okay? The network effect, so you're betting on the number of people not going to zero. You hope it doesn't go to zero, otherwise something fatal will happen, right? And you hope that it keeps growing. Bitcoin kept growing, Ethereum's growing, PulseChain's growing, okay? They are growing. I know it's painful now, but they will grow over time, okay? This is the total daily DEX traders per chain. This is on Solana, just going down, okay? It used to be 4 million. When Trump came in, all the way down, now here, 500K. A lot of it are bots, by the way. Okay, so just showing that. So that's why you have as well here. Dino, you talking all bad about soy, but have you seen the PulseChain chart? Yes, because I have seen it. I want to ask you a question though, bro. Do you like buying low or buying high? I want to ask you that. Do you like buying low or buying high? I like buying low. And if I've already bought and something stays low, I keep holding. Okay. What a lot of other people do though is when they buy low, if it keeps going lower, they actually get out, which means they didn't really have a thesis in the first place. They're actually trading. Okay, that's what it comes down to. So I'm still holding. I'm still holding. I've seen charts like this. You have too. Okay, you watch my videos. I've shown you thousands of times. Charts like this go from totally dead, and then there's a spark and everything goes up. What's that spark? Well, you know, PMI has to be above 52, which leads me on to my next segment, friends, as well. In the past, just so everyone knows, okay, in the past, so obviously, friends, there's always a coin or two you can cherry pick. There's always, oh, you should have bought a Zcash, or you should have bought XRP, but then sold it and bought Zcash after that, okay? All these other random stuff. There's always something that moves up, but I'm talking about breadth. Breadth, which means like basically the width, the girth. We should change, I think, friends, I want to nominate, we change market breadth, because it sounds weird to say. Breadth. Change the girth. Okay, the market girth. The market girth is strong and healthy when PMI is above 52, okay? That means there's a large spread thickness of risk being taken on and valuations rising, okay? When the PMI is low, you got a soft noodle willy, okay? And when there's just noodle willy, it's okay. Like, you're still eating, but it's a noodle, okay? And we're waiting for that moment to appear. Ivan on Tech has covered PulseChain and ProveX, friends. So in this video, PulseChain guys and their new Sacrifice project are not invited because privacy is for high IQ people.
I think PulseChain will fit into this. Listen what he just said.
People. And it's definitely something that can absorb a lot of high IQ people. And it's important because if you nail ZK, then you can replace the entire, you know...
yeah, exactly. I see PulseChain guy getting excited in the comment section because of this new Sacrifice thing. I don't know if you're invited, man. I'm joking. I'm joking. Because, you know, the Pulse new Sacrifice is something with this privacy thing.
It is funny. Friends, we have to snapshot this moment. I need you, someone snapshot this moment because we mark this day, friends. We're in middle of November. Ivan is laughing at PulseChain. Zcash has run up. It's done a 15x, okay? But it's up here now. And PulseChain hasn't moved. So just keep this marker, right? We are 75% below sack price or whatever, or more. So one's up 15x, one's down 75%. Okay. Plus, this is the funny part. This is actually where it gets really funny. Zcash, this is the funniest part, is the only crypto privacy tool where they don't go after the founders. Because Zcash is funded by the Mossad and Israel, which I've made video coverage for you. It's in the white papers. It's general knowledge out here. So it would be comical if we look 6, 12, 18, 24 months from now, whenever the hell this thing flips the whole market, to see what the returns were. I hope somebody makes a clip one day in the future, and that'll be funny. Because I want everyone to like really feel the laughter. Like, feel like I'm on, look, this laughter is, I'm a genius, I'm on top of the world, you're all idiots, you're all bag holding, you're stupid, your thing is down, is going to keep going down, this thing has gone up, it's going to keep going up. That's what that all summarizes it for. So it will be helpful for people in the future to come out just to see it, you know. But, you know, I show these things to you all the time. It's dealing with emotional swings of the market and the cycle. So, like, we know this, but it's one thing to know it, it's one thing to actually act. Okay. Remember, friends, as well, Bitcoin fear and greed has hit 15. It's like probably could be even lower now. It's literally bear market levels, man. It's literally really low. I just want to show you the comparison. This is the fear and greed, friends. Literally, we are at Trump tariff levels here, and Japan yen crisis. This shocked me because, friends, we weren't even this bad in 2023. What the hell? We weren't even that bad. Friends, 2023, we had a USDC depegging. We had, like, it was really shaky and ugly in 2023. Everybody thought a recession was coming. Our fear is actually worse, friends. We are literally levels of 2022 bear market. What the? I'm like, whoa, man. Look, but we know this. Okay, we know this. Mega olive. Not just any olive, a mega olive. Perfect launch pad. Weird, I don't feel that at all. Getting April 2025 deja vu vibes. You know what, sir? All done. Because, yeah, it is. It is getting Trump tariff, it's all over vibes. So, where to from here, friends? I mean, like, this is pretty much what it comes down to. Once again, H&C, you know, hope and cope. You can think of two other illicit substance drug names starting with H&C. I'm a hope and cope guy, okay? That's my favorite H&C. Bitcoin in the circle still. Still in this circle, all right? Personally, friends, remember for me, I am not celebrating unless I see 118. So even if we do get some sort of reversal out here, I don't know. Friends, it's going to be wild, actually. Wouldn't it be funny if we just match it out and we actually go up here? Year of the Snake actually ends. If I just want to show you, Year of the Snake actually ends here, 60th. Let's actually go to the Chinese traditional. We're going to be Chinese traditionalists, Year of the Snake right here. So Year of the Snake actually ends at, man, friends, wouldn't it be wild if we actually go back up here and then on Year of the Snake, there's like one more fake, like on the final week or something, man. Oh, well. I'm still holding. Let me know how you're doing. Like, subscribe, belly button on. Catch you soon.